Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This week I'm in San Francisco and I'm just going to show you Pier 39, which I believe is quite a good wee place to go and visit. But I don't know, I think there's a wee bit of entertainment and things. There's a few restaurants and stuff. I was here last night, but it was about 9:30, 10 o'clock, so everything was shutting down, so I didn't do a video, so I'm just going to show you the rest of it. So, here we go. You get the Hard Rock Cafe. In the previous video I mentioned we tried to get a drink in there. Didn't have a passport, so they wouldn't serve us. An old guy like me, and they wouldn't serve me. Yes, I've got grey hair, but 21-year-old has grey hair, you know, so I think 21's the legal age. Well, must suck to be a late teen in America. I get it though. Alcohol's not good for you. Oh, this looks nice. French dip deluxe. Oh, I really want to try this. Macaroni and cheese. That looks amazing. Boudin sourdough. Let me try that. A Wipeout bar and grill. Most of these places I've never heard of. Oh, there's a Nathan's hot dog. I love Nathan's hot dogs. I did a video in Vegas where I review one of them, so you might want to check that out. It's really good. There's the Chowders. I'm going to need to try it. I looks like a place I'll maybe try that. And I'll do a wee video. It's a kind of hat shop, I think. Kind of lids. It's not just headwear, but they do have other stuff, but maybe go and have a wee look, because I like a wee hat. Bungee trampoline. Mini donuts. The fish and chip shop, the Hook. Golden Gate gift shop. And you can go for boat rides. Tempted to go on a wee boat ride actually, but actually no, well, we're doing the Alcatraz one. If it goes close to the Golden Gate Bridge, I don't think I'll bother, but oh, this must be the sea lions. Is it? No. Oh, so look, there's some sea lions. Don't know if you can see that, they're just going over to the side. I'll take a wee walk down, you can see. I was going to say this earlier in the video, I can't remember if I said it or not, but if you ever get a chance to go and see a sea lion show, please do. It's great fun. Where was it? I did it at Tenerife, Laurel Park. The sea lion show was excellent. Amazing how well trained they are. You can see it. There's a couple of them. Oh, there's 3? No, 4. 4 of them. Oh no, there's another 2. There's about 6 of them there. I thought it'd be quite dangerous with all the boats around, you know. See? I'll take a wee walk over here and then I'll go back. I don't think there's much here, I think it's just a wee restaurant or something. No, I'll just skip that. So, get back up to Pier 39. Well, we're still in it, but go back up to the shops and see what shops are. I really like this, during the day this is really, really nice. I liked it last night, but everything was shut. If it was still opened a wee bit, it would have been good. But aye. My first thoughts of San Francisco coming out the hotel, I thought, oh, this looks a bit kind of dreary. But I suppose coming from Vegas to here, you know, it's going to be a bit dreary in comparison. Vegas is so over the top. but it's awesome. So, and I don't know if I pointed it out, there's the Alcatraz gift shop. I'll be going in there as soon as it opens. Get myself a pair of stripy prison pyjamas. Only kidding, don't wear pyjamas. Too hot. You get a gift shop. Oh, I wanted to get a shot. I saw this last night. Wilder West. I want to get myself a wee cowboy hat, so that might be a place to go. There's a cable car store. I quite like that. A wee cafe for breakfast and lunch. There's a wee magic store. Gift shops. So that's a lovely wee gift shops. You want to go into all of them. They're so nice looking. Another fish and chip restaurant. I think I need to come down here and get fish and chips later. We're only here today and tomorrow, and then we're off to New York. So New York's going to be a good one. When I first decided to do the three, Vegas, New York and San Francisco, San Francisco was the one I wanted to see the most, but purely for Alcatraz and the Golden Gate Bridge. I've loved Vegas, I really did. Might have loved it more than here, I'm not sure, but single best thing to do, I'm going to guess it's Alcatraz. I'm just so looking forward to seeing it. Out of the three, I had more interest in Alcatraz. It's a wee magnet shop, it looks quite good. Don't think it's opened yet, but it's not just magnets, the other things. Oh, these socks are pretty cool. Frankenstein the mummy. Crazy caps. I'm guessing it's all hats. Or mostly hats. I'm going to look through. It's a wee bit disappointing. I have looked through some of the gift shops and I thought they'd be filled with things with Dirty Harry and stuff, but I've not seen a single Dirty Harry thing. Once it's opened, I'll have a wee look about proper. Over here, as a 7D ride experience, I'm going to need to do that. That sounds really good. There's the restrooms. Wee sports bar. We get told there's a sports bar down here, so we came all the way down last night and it was bloody shut. Refrigerator. Look, the Christmas in San Francisco, the wee Christmas shop. There's a wee stage. 12 o'clock. Oh, there's stuff upstairs. I'll go upstairs in a wee minute. I saw this last night, Hidden Dragon, and I love like Bruce Lee and Chinese culture and stuff. I know it probably seems a wee bit stereotypical or something, like Chinese and think Bruce Lee, but I thought, oh, I need to go in there, but I think it's just a clothes shop, but I'll go in and have a look later on. Another gift shop, magnets, t-shirts. What else have I got here? Candy barn. Bet that cost a fortune. Hearts of San Francisco. Oh, and there it is. There's the Golden Gate Bridge. It's a shame that's my first view of it because it's very cloudy. Oh, and there's the rock. Alcatraz. Oh, I didn't even see that coming down. I'm too busy kind of looking about my camera. That's quite a scene to see. I don't know, I'd imagine it'd be further away from the coast, you know. Well, that's it. I was going to do a wee video there, so I thought, oh, I'll do a wee video from there and I'll talk about it a wee bit. So, well, there's a wee kind of padlock kind of fence. I'll need to get a wee padlock and put Dan was here, Jacqueline wasn't. Sorry, honey. I will take you some point. You'd be terrified. Right, hang on. There's a wee map of the pier. There's level 2. Oh, sea lion viewing, okay. Let's see it's up level 2. I quite like it here. Oh, almost missed it. Bubba Gump Shrimp Co. up there. Right. That's one I want to try. If I don't try it here, I'll find one in New York. There was one in Vegas, but way up to it, I didn't have a chance. So, which was disappointing. I'm hoping the Alcatraz gift shop opens soon. I'll need to look at it once I finish the video. So, just fixing my handle, forgot about that. Sea Lion Centre.
It's the greatest place, but we had fun.
Oh look, there's all the sea lions, wow. That's pretty cool. Anyway. I'm running out of time for my videos. I try to keep them about 10 to 15 minutes long. So, still getting used to the camera, but if I do anything long, it seems to be it splits it up into like different bits, and I've not learned how to edit yet, so that's on my kind of things to do list. At the moment, I've just got this opportunity to go to these places, so I'm just filming stuff, and I filmed a few things with the intent that I'll go back and edit it into a different video, so we'll see. I will get better as I go. You know, it takes a wee while to learn these things. Fire and Ice Interactive Grill and Bar. That's the Alcatraz gift shop. Alcatraz swim team. I'll buy a few things out of there. Dining with a view. I'm looking forward to going there. Maybe even buy a t-shirt, we'll see. I don't think there's much else, and I'm running out of time. So, I think that's it. So I'll just say if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please like, subscribe and share. It would really help my channel out. Oh, and leave a wee comment. I try to reply to everyone. Okay, thank you very much and take care and bye-bye.